What's up, everybody? Sable Local coming in with a new video, and happy 2023. Gonna be opening up this time some Japanese packs and some Korean packs. So this should be interesting. Here, you can check them out. So we got some Japanese. Ooh, they're upside down. And then for our final ones, we're gonna have a 25th anniversary Korean and a VMAX Rising in Korean. So that's gonna be interesting. Let's go ahead and crack into this video and see what we get. I'm very excited. I'll put them over here. I'll set the Korean packs down there. It's our Space Juggler. And then we got some more. Let's go ahead and crack these things open. Start with Rayquaza. Let's see what we can get. I'm going to go like right here. Oh yeah. Japanese packs are so... Man. There's some... Oh, there we go. So much tougher to open because there's just so much fewer cards in them. I do apologize. Alrighty. Let's see what we get. Okay. Hoppip. Flappy. And a Great Ball. So, nothing in that first pack. On to the next one. I guess I just rip it. Yeah, like that. Okay. Go ahead and see what we get in the second one. We got Antler. Vapple. I don't remember him. The Cinderscorch. And a non-hollow. Again. Wow, that's 2 for 2 on non-hollows. That's never good. I'm hoping to get at least some kind of, hit in this opening. I hope. Oh, I think I saw something. Oh, ooh, Sandslash. Alrighty, we got a reverse. No, wait, that's our hollow. That's our hit. Wow. Okay, it's like a jump bluff. Ew, that's not exactly the best hit. Okay. Huntu and Space Juggler. Maybe I'll get something out of this pack. Well, something. I'd like to get at least a, a V or a V Max. So far it's been not so good. Oh, we got Psyduck. Look at that. Okay, let's set Psyduck over the side. Gotta love that Psyduck. Teddiursa. Makihito. Oh, look at that. We got a Palkia V-Star. Okay, okay. First hit of the day. Looks pretty clean. Finally a hit. Alrighty. On to the next one. Fossil. Sneasel. And nothing. Okay, we got 3 more of these, and then we move on to the Korean packs. Maybe something in those. Never know. Be awesome to pull that Charizard in that 25th anniversary. Ooh, we got Voltorb. I'm really screwing this one up. And nothing. I think that's Heavy Ball, but no hollow. On to the next one. Come on, Space Juggler, give me something good. Alright, let's see what we get. A Koala. At least see something, maybe hollow. Yep, we got a hollow hit. It's I think it's Axio or Luxio. It's one of the 3 legendaries. Okay, on to this one. Last of the Space Juggler. And nothing. Not doing so good. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. I do apologize. Alright, let's start off with the Korean Chilling Rain. Maybe we'll get something in this. Opens up just like the Japanese. Interesting. The cards are not faced that way, okay. Oh, I think I see something. Come on, Korean luck. Oh. Never mind. Thought there was a hit. Okay, on to the last two. Let's go for VMAX Rising. It's usually always something in a VMAX Rising. I think you're guaranteed a V or a holo. But I've never opened a Korean version of VMAX Rising. Should be something interesting. Make me think if I want to buy some more Korean cards. Okay. Farfetch, that looks pretty nice. We get a holo. That's it? Wow. That is all. Man, you do not get a lot. And look at that bend. You did not get a lot in Korean cards. Maybe the 25th anniversary would be a little better. So far, it looks like that Palkia V-Star is the best thing we're getting today. Okay. Starting off with Ho-Ho. Okay, Zekrom. And we're going to get a Holo Energy. That is our hit. But all these are holos. They're just regular holos. Unfortunately, nothing big. We didn't get to pull anything huge, so I do apologize, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Actually, before I leave, I wanted to open up these. It's not Pokemon related, but we got some Bakugan Battle Brawlers. I've never opened these before. I'm going to go ahead and open them. I don't know, I happen to find these and want to see what they get. Figured it might be a little fun. Don't think there's anything in here, and wow, these are English cards and they're just as hard as the Japanese to open. I'm at the point where I might give up on these. Okay, it looks like bottom's the way to go. Wow. Let's see what's in here, because I honestly have no idea. Okay. Is there going to be any holos? I have no clue. No? Oh, we got something. Okay, we got some kind of holo. Look at that. I have no clue what it is, but hey, it's some kind of holo. So something shiny. See what the second one is. I used to watch the show Bakugan Battle Brawlers, but I don't know, it kind of died down for me. Let's see. Nothing. Oh, there's the holo. Okay, so they do get a holo. It looks like it might be a guaranteed holo in every pack. But I wonder if they got like secret rares too, just like we do in Pokemon. Let's just skip fast to the end. And there's the holo. Okay. Got two more. Come on. Wow. Oh, got it. Okay. Let's just go through these. And there's the holo. Ooh, it's like a Pegasus. Okay. Kind of cool. And last one, can it be a hyper rare or anything? Something better than a normal holo? Guess we're gonna find out. Nope, there's another normal holo again. Okay. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that little Bakugan part. I will see you guys next video. Peace. Bye.